In this video, I'm going to show you how to export and import your Google Chrome bookmarks and also how to sync bookmarks across all your devices. Let's get started. Exporting bookmarks. First, open Google Chrome. Go to the top right corner and click the three dots, the More menu. Hover over Bookmarks and Lists. Then, click Bookmark Manager. You'll now see all your saved bookmarks. At the top right of the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu again. Select Export Bookmarks. A window will open where you can choose where to save the HTML file and rename it if you want. Chrome will automatically name it something like Bookmarks plus today's date, which is fine. I recommend saving the file to a cloud service like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, so you can easily access it from another device. Click Save, and your bookmarks file is ready. Importing bookmarks on another device. Now let's switch to the new device where you want to import your bookmarks. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots again. Go to Bookmarks and Lists. You can either click Bookmark Manager or directly click Import Bookmarks and Settings. In the import window, change the import source to Bookmarks HTML file. Click Choose File. Navigate to the location where you saved your exported bookmarks, like OneDrive, and select the file. Click Done, and your bookmarks will appear instantly, syncing bookmarks across all your devices. Instead of manually importing, you can enable Google Chrome Sync so your bookmarks automatically appear on every device. Click the three dots at the top right. You'll see your Google account listed. Make sure you're signed in. Ensure Sync is turned on. With Sync enabled, all your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more will automatically sync across any Chrome browser where you're signed in. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see a button that says Sign In. Just click it and log in with your Google account. And that's it. You now know how to export bookmarks, import them to a new device, and sync them across all your devices automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.